Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Appium on your Mac machine. Open Appium.io website and click Download Appium. Select version 1.4.13 and click Download. After the download is completed, double-click on the Appium DMG file and drag and drop Appium to Applications folder. When it's completed, open Finder, go to Applications, find Appium application and open it. Wait for verification process, and if you see Appium cannot be opened because it's from undefined developer, proceed next steps. Open System Preference, go to Security and Privacy, click on Locker logo and type your password. Select Allow apps download from anywhere, Allow, and close settings. Open Appium again, click Open, Yes, wait for password dialog, type your password, and last step is verification. Click checkpoint under Android logo, click Launch, and wait Appium server to launch. And you should see output like mine. If you see it, everything is installed correctly. Thanks for watching.